My name is Eamon Scanlon. I live in Ballymote in County Sligo. I have been selected to run in the upcoming election to represent Fianna Fáil. Being elected to the Oireachtas in 2002, I believe that I have the ability and the experience to represent the people of this constituency and look after their needs. Housing is a big issue. I'm currently here on a site of 28 houses, which I've been heavily involved in over the years. We are currently finishing off a further 8 houses. If elected, I will continue to support this type of housing in our constituency. We're all aware of the beef crisis affecting farming. I believe that a REPS type payment should be introduced to sustain family farms, otherwise they will go out of existence. And of course a Suckler cow grant, which Fianna Fáil are proposing €200 over the next all term. If you elect me in the forthcoming election, I will ensure to fight tooth and nail to ensure that family farms are supported. Fianna Fáil and government are committed to the provision of more primary care centres like this one, to train more doctors, to ensure that we take the pressure off our accident and emergency departments in our hospitals. There is a consensus that rural Ireland has been left behind. I think if we're serious about balanced regional development, I think we need to have a serious look at decentralisation. If re-elected, I will continue to fight for investment for rural communities and infrastructure. By voting Eamon Scanlon number 1 in the forthcoming election, the only promise I can make is that I will continue to work as hard as I have done over the last number of years for the benefit of our local community and for our constituency. Thank you.